Hello, we are Ana Isabel,
Diana,
and Jimena.
and we are going to talk about
the nervous
the
system.
nervous system.
Yeah.
But what is it? The nervous system is a complex network of cells and nerves that carry messages to and from the brain and the spinal cord to other parts of the
Main
body.
functions are: number one, control center for all body activity, and the second, responds and adapts to changes that occur inside and outside of our body.
Neurons. What is a neuron? A neuron is a nerve cell that transmits messages from the brain and the spinal cord to all the body, and it is the main function and structure of the nervous system. How a neuron is composed? A neuron has a nucleus, a dendrites, cell body, axon, and synapse. Nucleus, is the nucleus of the cell, and the cell body is this ball. Dendrites is like little fibers that receive the messages from the axons. The axons is a large fiber that transmits messages to other neurons. Synapse is a little space between a neuron and another neuron. Between the synapse there is a liquid named neurotransmitters that help to transmit the messages to the brain and the spinal cord.
The nervous system is divided into two: the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system.
Basically, the central nervous system is composed of the brain and the spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system is composed of sensory neurons and motor neurons. Of the peripheral nervous system, we talked about two nerve cells, the sensory and the motor. The sensory are the ones that think, I want to grab that glass of water, and then they send a message to your brain. It travels through your spinal cord, and then the motor output is the one that carries the brain. It's divided into three major parts: the cerebrum, cerebellum, and the brainstem. The cerebrum is the blue part and is the largest part of the human brain. The cerebellum is the blue part. It's beneath the cerebrum, and it's responsible for balance and posture. And at last, the brainstem connects the brain to the spinal cord.
The spinal cord is a column of nerves that are protected by vertebrates, and this one sends the messages through all the body from the brain.
One of the diseases you may get in the nervous system is Alzheimer. It's a gradual shrinking of the neuron in the cerebrum. This makes you forget things. A temporary disturbance of the brain ability to function due to a hard blow to the head. This is very common in football players.